Well, welcome back to another video, guys and gals. Notice that there's 38% of my views this month have been women, so I appreciate you ladies. You know, I always enjoy fishing with the ladies, but this is actually a new place I've never been to. It's on SAUVIE'S Island. Just figured it was here this year, and it's not very big, but it looks peaceful. It looks nice, so we're gonna try it out. Babe's with me today, so come along with me and Babe and see if we can't snag some fish out of a new spot. First fish on here. Nice. Wow. Talking about a big guy. Ooh, hee. Let's measure this guy up real quick. He's as big as my hand. So I'll get this released. I can't keep him. But first one on the board. Well, that was the smallest fish I think I've ever caught at a pond, to be honest with you. But skunks off of this place. Like I said, I did have a nice slam down on this. I'm using the beads on this and power bait on this. I believe Babe's got both power bait on hers. Yep. So I've got green and then a yellow sparkle glittery on this one that I just caught it. So, but we'll get back to you guys when we get another fish. Yep, fish on. It's a bigger one this time. Yeah. There we go. I just kept getting nibbles and nibbles and nibbles. Nice. Hey, little buddy. Cool. First real fish here. Stoked. Like I said, I've never been here before. So, nice little guy. Hold on, buddy. Nice. And that was on the green power bait. Yep, he swallowed it. We're going to keep him. Nice. Yes. Found it. Fish on. See how big it is. Oh, shoot. It's going over Babe's line. Okay, well, it's really just doing whatever it wants. Let's try not to get it all. Nice, that's a better size. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, guys. Nice, Sketty. Alright, nice size. And that was on the beads. We'll get Babe on the board here soon. Ow, 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 ow. Sweet, I like this place. It's very peaceful here. There was hawks going about it earlier, but I'll get back to you guys when we get Babe on a bite here. Well, I look like I just got hell. Hopefully we don't get pulled over. I swear, officer, I didn't murder anybody. It was just a fish. I swear. Oh boy. Getting a bite. I think I have it on. Yeah, it's the littlest guy ever. That's a nice one though. Alright. Here, little buddy. Hand wet a little bit. Why can't I ever get these guys off? I know, bud. There you go, little buddy. All right. Well, 2 little guys, not bad. We'll get Babe. We'll get Babe on one. Fish on. All right. Green power bait. All right. Jesus. They are feisty little guys, aren't they? Nice. Well, looks like we're gonna take off from here. Babe's gotta go pee. So, shh. But yeah, we didn't do too bad here for a spot that we'd never been to, and on SAUVIE'S Island. Had no clue there was a damn lake or puddle here, I guess you would say. But those 2 little ones are cute. We got to let some of them go. We're keeping 2. So today was a good day, I would say. It was nice out. There was no one here. There was one guy here for a little bit, but it's nice to fish a new spot. No one's here. You don't have to worry about anything. But if you guys like the video, smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't. And I will catch you guys next time. And ladies, shout out to all you ladies out there. And by the way, guys, I will be gone for about a week, so I won't be posting a video for about a week. So yeah, I might be able to post one, but probably not. So, but I have a lot of upcoming videos going to be coming out. We went to Devil's Lake, Hag. We went, where else we go? We go to Coffinberry, and so those will be the upcoming videos when I get back. So catch you guys next time.